Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Have you ever wished your morning coffee or tea would stay warm just a little bit longer? Well, meet your new best friend and the solution to this problem. It's the VOBAGA mug warmer. So many times I'd serve my morning coffee and then get called away. When I'd finally make it back to my mug, my drink would be lukewarm. Yuck. Well, no more rushing through my morning coffee. With this warmer, my beverage stays warm and delightful until the very last drop. This mug warmer is really an all-in-one mug companion. So if you're not into coffee, it could also be used throughout the day to keep your tea, hot cocoa, or even a favorite soup at that perfect level of heat. The size of this warmer is just perfect. It's compact and sleek, so it easily fits onto a desk space without crowding out other office essentials. It was super easy to begin using. I just plugged it in, powered it on, and kept pressing the power button until I had the desired heat setting. You'll see the red light indicates high heat. You press it again, the purple light is medium heat, and the blue light is low heat. You press it one more time, and it has an auto shut-off feature, so you never have to worry about forgetting to turn it off when you're done using it. When that power indicator flashes red, that means the auto shut-off process has started and the heating plate is now cooling down. Since I began using this VOBAGA mug warmer, I no longer have to settle for a lukewarm sip of morning coffee or tea. That is a big win in my book. And that's my point of view.